Hello and welcome to oliveboard platform and very good morning to all of you. Hi, good morning everyone. I hope so I'm audible properly. Hi, good morning. So let's start the static GK question session only on SSC coaching English medium YouTube channel. Hi, very good evening, very good morning guys. Please join me quickly. Good morning everyone. Okay. Good morning. Okay, so let's start this session with the very first question. As you already know that the weightage of static GK is increasing day by day, and in the competitive exam especially, there's a lot of weightage of static GK as well as the current affairs. Usually the current affairs segment is also asked through a static GK section, right? So that is why we have to cover, or the more you practice for the static GK, more you perfect in a particular subject, as there's no particular syllabus of static GK, right? Okay, so let's start the session with the very first question, and your first question is on the screen. Just a minute. Okay, here's your first question. How many players are there in a baseball team? How many players are there in a baseball team? 7, 8, 9, 11. And the answers? So basically, baseball is a sports in which two teams involve, right? And two teams, there's a 9 player in each team. So the correct answer of this question is option number C is your absolutely right answer. Basically, 9 players are usually present in the baseball team, or you can say a baseball part, right? Now, who is the highest governing body of the baseball? So first of all, the World Baseball Softball Confederation is the highest governing body of the baseball, okay? And which country basically played this game first time? So baseball was played first time in England. That means this country will be a origin of this particular sports, right? So the correct answer of this question is option number 9 is your absolutely right answer. Okay. Yeah. Next question. Who is known as the father of Carnatic music? Who is known as the father of Carnatic music, or who is reversed as the father of Carnatic music? Tyagaraja, Purandar Das, Swati Tripal, and Muthuswami Dikshitwar. Okay. So the correct answer is Purandar Das is absolutely correct answer. Option number B is your right answer, right? And Purandar Das is also termed as the Sangeet Pitamaha. Okay, so option number B is absolutely right answer. Sometimes he is known as the Sangeet Pitama in recognition of his significance contribution to the Carnatic music especially, right? He was a great devotee of Lord Krishna and Vaishnav poet and saint, as well as a social reformer. Okay, so the correct answer is this. Okay, now Mr. Tyagaraja is also associated with a Bhakti Margi poet, or you can say associated with a Carnatic music. Okay, so the correct answer. Well, next question. In which year the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act was passed in India? Any answers? Okay. Correct answer is August 2003 is absolutely right answer. So the correct answer is option number A. Okay, August 2003, the Fiscal Responsibility and the Budget Management Act was passed in India, and it was brought effective. It was effective from. So if they asked you a question in which year it is effective from July 2004. Okay, so the correct answer is option number C. A. Next question on your screen. Which is the most populated metro city as per 2011 census? Delhi, Kolkata, Jaipur, Mumbai. Most populated metro city. See, the most populated metro city is Mumbai. Okay, followed by Delhi, Kolkata and Chennai. Followed by Delhi on second, Kolkata on third and Chennai on fourth. Okay, so this will be a sequence for the population of the metro city, and the correct answer of this question is option number D is absolutely right answer. If they ask you a most populated state of India, most populated state, and the answer will be UP, right? Or you can say Uttar Pradesh. Exactly. And yes, okay. Now, moving to our next question. Your next question is, the first 5-year plan was launched by. The first 5-year plan was launched by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Chaudhary Charan Singh, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Answers please. Correct. So basically the first 5-year plan was launched in India in which year? In 1951. And in the 1951, in the leadership of or the prime ministership of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, India launched its first 5-year plan. The first 5-year plan was the term of first 5-year plan from 1951 to 1956. And the major focus point or the important sector of 5-year plan was to enhance the agriculture sector, as India was completely dependent on the agriculture. So in our initial first 5-year plan, we more focused on the agriculture plan, and it was the most successful 5-year plan. Even in this 5-year plan, we set a targeted growth of around 2.1%, but actually we achieved 3.6% growth in a first 5-year plan. So this was your first 5-year plan. It was launched in the Prime Ministership of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Clear? Okay. Moving to our next question. When is World Heritage Day celebrated? When is World Heritage Day celebrated? Okay, so the correct answer is 18th April is the correct answer, right? So World Heritage Day 2024 was also celebrated in 18th April 2024. And what was the theme? Can someone tell me what was the theme of World Heritage Day? Okay, the theme was discover and experience diversity. Okay, so the correct answer is option number A is absolutely right answer. Moving to our next question. What is the full form of LAN? What is the full form of LAN? Okay, the correct answer is local area network is a correct answer of this question. Option number A. Next question. Which country does the Lena River pass through? Which country does the Lena River pass through? Correct answer, basically it passes through the Russia, and it also flows into a Arctic Ocean, right? It also flows through a Arctic Ocean. Okay, so the correct answer of this question is option number B is absolutely right answer. Moving to our next question. Which committee gave suggestion to RBI to promote digital payment in India? Balwant Rai Committee, Rajiv Bansal Committee, Nilekani Committee or Amar Singh Committee? So basically, Nandan Nilekani Committee led the digital payment portal actually. So the correct answer is option number C is absolutely right answer. Right. RBI was established on the recommendation of which committee? The Hilton Young Committee, right? Hilton Young Committee. Sorry. So the correct answer of this question is option number C is absolutely right answer. Next question. Dhokla is a dish of which state? I think everybody have this dish, right? Some people like it very much and some people didn't like it. Tell me in the comment section, you love this dish or not? Correct answer, it is a dish of Gujarat state. So the correct answer of this question is option number C is absolutely right answer. Right? Okay. Can you tell me about the Gujarat's capital, please? What is the Gujarat capital? Anyone? No? Okay. So basically the Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar was the capital of Gujarat. Now, who is basically appointed as a post of the CM? Bhupendra Bhai Patel, right? CM Bhupendra Bhai Patel. Right. Who is the governor of Gujarat? Who is the governor of Gujarat? Acharya Devrat. Right. Lok Sabha seat 26. Rajya Sabha seat around 11. Right. So this is the criteria for the Gujarat state. Okay. Moving to our next question. In which country is wheat grown the most? In which country is wheat grown the most? India, China, Canada, Japan. China? Well, wheat is the crop of Rabi crop, right? It is from Rabi crop. And the leading producing country of the wheat is China is the leading producing country of wheat, right? What is the capital of China? Can you tell me what is the capital of China? Beijing? Okay. Can you tell me what is the currency of China? What is the currency of China? Yuan. Right? Okay. Moving to our next question, and your next question is here. Allah Rakha is associated with which musical instrument? Allah Rakha is associated with which musical instrument? Okay. Instrument name: tabla, sarod, sitar, medis. Correct answer, tabla. Option number A. Next question. Triton is the moon of which planet? Triton is the moon of which planet? Which planet? Answers please. Okay. Okay. Correct answer, Neptune is a correct answer, right? Neptune is also termed as a twin or a god of sea. God of sea, right? So correct answer is option number A is absolutely right answer of this question. Okay. Okay. Moving to our next question, and before moving it, yes, please tell me what is the sequence of planet of solar system? What is the sequence? It's a Mavem, J, Sun, right? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, this is the sequence. Now, moving to our next question, and your next question is here. Where is the antibiotic penicillin obtained from? Okay. Correct answer, fungus, and the complete name is Penicillin notatum. Sorry, notatum. Correct answer is fungus. Can you tell me what is the study of fungus called? The study of fungi or study of fungus called? It is called mycology. Mycology. Study of virus called? Study of virus? It's a virology. Study of algae called? It's a phycology. Right? Study of bacteria called bacteriology. Next. Ghatotkacha was the king of which dynasty? Answer. Ghatotkacha was the king of which dynasty? See, Ghatotkacha was a successor of actually Shrigupta, right? Ghatotkacha was a successor of Shrigupta, and Shrigupta was the founder of Gupta dynasty. Founder of Gupta dynasty. So correct answer is option number A. Maurya, Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of Maurya dynasty. Okay, moving to our next question, and your next question is, under which article does the governor have the power to issue ordinance during the recess of the legislature? So, under which article does the governor has the power issue ordinance? Article 213 is the right answer. Correct answer is option number A. If they ask you under which article the president has the power to ordinance issue, so president can also issue ordinance. Sorry. Issue ordinance for the proceeding of in the case of parliament actually according to the article 123. So keep in mind, in a case of president 123, in a case of governor 213. Next question. In which city are the elephant caves located? In which city are the elephants cave located? Correct answer is Mumbai. So basically Elephanta caves, Ajanta caves, right? Ellora caves. These caves comes under Maharashtra state. Not a Mumbai only, but Maharashtra. But yes, Elephanta caves is located only in Mumbai. Okay, moving to our next question. Who is the author of Chokher Bali? Who is the author of Chokher Bali? Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Shashi Tharoor or Satyarth Prakash? Actually, it is a Bengali novel which was written in 1903 by Rabindranath Tagore ji. So, the correct answer is option number A. Moving to our next question. With which musical instrument is Govind Swami Pillai reacted? With which musical instrument is Govind Swami Pillai related? Mridangam, tabla, veena, violin. Correct answer, violin. Option number D. Next question. Your next question is, Pahari school, Rajput school, Mughal school and Kangra school represent different style of art form. Which of the following? Correct answer, Indian painting, absolutely right. Option number B. Next question. Which of the following river originate from the Indian Himalayas? Gandak, Ghaggar, Kosi, Yamuna. Indian Himalaya not actually Gandak, Ghaggar, Kosi originated from a Nepal Himalaya, and Yamuna is originated from the Indian Himalaya. So the correct answer is option number D is absolutely right answer. Moving to our next question, and your next question is here. In which state is Nuakhai festival celebrated? In which state is Nuakhai festival celebrated? Karnataka, Odisha, Mizoram, Tamil Nadu. Odisha, okay. Correct answer. Basically, Nuakhai festival is celebrated in Odisha as well as in some parts of Chhattisgarh. Right? So the correct answer is option number B. Moving to our next question, and your next question is: Tarang male folk dance is related to which state? Tarang male folk dance related to which state? Maharashtra, Bihar, Manipur, Goa. Tarang male, actually it is a folk dance of which state? So folk dance of Goa state. Capital of Goa is Panji. Correct answer is Goa. Okay. Next question. In a case of Maharashtra, you have a basically Lavani. Lavani is a very popular dance in Maharashtra. Tamasha. Tamasha is also associated with the Maharashtra state. Next question. Pandit Ram Narayan is associated with which musical instrument? Pandit Ram Narayan is associated with which musical instrument? He is a Hindustani classical musician and he is associated with Sarangi. So the correct answer is option number C. Next, in which state is the Nagarhole National Park located? Answers please. In which state is the Nagarhole National Park located? Nagarhole National Park, okay. It is also known as Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Right? And it is located in the Karnataka state. Correct answer is option number B. Next question. On which river is the Indra Sagar Dam built? Correct answer is Narmada Nadi. Narmada Nadi origin point. Basically Narmada Nadi originated from Amarkantak. Amarkantak, MP. Amarkantak, MP region flows through MP, Maharashtra, and then after falls into a Bay of Khambat. Correct answer is option number C is absolutely right answer. Moving to our next question. Your next question is: In which state are the Palakonda Hills located? In which state are the Palakonda Hills located? Correct answer is Andhra Pradesh is absolutely right answer. Next question. In which state is Debhar Lake located? In which state is Debhar Lake located? Correct. It is located in Rajasthan state. Next question. Okay, next question is, which is called the repository of world art collection? National Archives of India, National Museum, National Gallery of Modern Art, and Salarganj Museum. Which is called the repository of world art collection? The correct answer is Salarganj Museum is the correct answer. Next question. To which of the following department ministry does the Archaeological Survey of India have attached office? And the correct answer is Ministry of Culture is absolutely right answer. Here we have covered this particular content, guys. So definitely you can check our website for the PDF, and if you are still not aware with the exam carnival, so definitely Oliveboard is celebrating an exam carnival. As you already know, that festival is around the corner, so we are celebrating this, and you will have a 45% discount on each and every English medium course. Yes, very important part, from 1st of November, we are going to start SSC Foundation Mission 2.0, Mission 2025 batch, which is a completely English medium batch, and it is also, as it is a foundation batch, so definitely you will get each and every class with a concept, your theory and the practice questions. So please don't forget to check out these courses on our official website Oliveboard. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.